Hi everyone, today I am doing Honda Jazz semi-automatic I-shift, and the common problem is clutch actuator malfunction. So here is a bottle. When we fix it, we have to bleed from here, and this is the nipple is here. We have to remove the nipple, and through diagnostic you have to bleed the things. But first we have to diagnose the car. So what code is coming, then we're gonna come back to you. So you can see semi-automatic I-shift here, and if you go to diagnose it, and you can see here P0810 clutch operation problem. Clutch actuator malfunction and clutch operation problem is the same thing, and sometimes the other code is coming as well. So if you have the problem of like this, we can solve your issue, but you have to bring the car to us and we can take it out, repair it and put back. 6-month warranty on there, and car will be ready. And you can see my other video as well about Honda Jazz and Honda Civic. We repair all type of ECUs, clutch actuator, instrument clusters. So you can see the sign is coming in the dashboard check system. The sign is coming. So if you have any problem like this, so you can contact me. My name is Terry. We are in Hounslow, and my garage name is Hounslow Motor Limited. So you can come anytime or call me and book with me, and then you can drop the car. We can ready your car like 2 to 3 hours, and you have to give me the code, what code is coming, what is the problem. We can solve your issue. We can do the programming, learning, clutch adaptation, everything, and touch point adaptation as everything, and bleeding as well. So if you have any problem, you can contact me. My phone number is 07402536382, and my name is Terry. We are in Hounslow. Postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.